favorite part of my job is being able to look at things differently, being in an environment where you're allowed to fail fast and win. Because if you can't fail fast, you can't learn. And that doesn't help accelerate time to market and the ability to win in an organization. So Veeam's culture absolutely embraces that. And it's one thing that I've absolutely loved over 4 years here.
Really, we're building a business within Veeam, and we're building the public cloud business. And so there's no historical pattern here. So we're actually, writing the history every day as we go forward, and there's ups and downs with that. But the fun is figuring out how we're going to do it, and then getting with other people and talking about how we can instrument the business.